enriching our knowledge and appreciations of the world. Arts appreciation.
Life at sea is demanding and often isolating. Arts provide a mental escape and source of relaxation activities like drawing, painting, and music. Music is also an art that helps seekers to break from the routine and help manage stress. There's a less of music genre. Alternative music, anime, blues, children music, classical music, commercial music, country music, electronic music, hip-hop music, and holiday music.
Seafarers can also enjoy seeing indigenous arts on their vacation. So indigenous arts, what are they? Indigenous arts are thought that native arts that has grown naturally through years in certain localities. Indigenous arts includes the Torogan of Muslims, Mindanao, Bahay Puho, Bahay Bel, Bahay Nabato, and other indigenous arts.
Art plays a critical role in our daily lives, impacting us emotionally, intellectually, and socially.
So, emotional well-being. Art helps us express us and process our emotion, providing a therapeutic outlet. Engaging with art, whether creating or appreciating, that can significantly reduce stress and anxiety.
So, cultural awareness. Through art, we gain insights into diverse cultures and perspectives, fostering empathy and understanding, and reflects the value and history of societies, enriching our knowledge and appreciations of the world.
Intellectual stimulation. Art challenges us to think critically, interpret meaning, enhancing our cognitive abilities. It encourages creativity and problem-solving skills, valuable in every aspect of life.
Social connection. Art brings people together through shared experiences, fostering community and connection. It serves as common ground for dialogue, bridging gaps between different backgrounds and generations.
For seafarers who spend long periods away, home arts appreciation can be particularly impactful. Let's look at why.
So, mental health and relaxation. Life at sea is demanding and often isolating. Arts provide a mental escape and a source of relaxation. Activities like drawing, painting, or listening music offer a break from the routine and help manage stress.
Combating loneliness. Art can serve as a companion during long voyage, reading, watching films, or creating personal artwork can alleviate loneliness.
Enhancing and
Emotionally,
cognitive ability.
ano, pre,